exercise 9.5. Question number 1. First, before 8 maths. First, we need to plus b whole square. Okay. A minus b whole square. A square minus b square. These three formula. Okay. In product of two monomials, we need to learn these two. That is a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. A plus b into a minus b. These three are the important So, these three are the important. With the help of these three identities, we will solve the question number of exercise 9.5. X plus 3 into x plus 3. Find the product using same identity. So, x plus 3 into x plus 3. Okay. So, obviously, both the expressions are same. So, you can write it like x plus 3 whole square. And x plus 3 whole square means that is a and that is b. Now, first a square means x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 3 plus b square, 3 square. Okay, x square plus 6x, 3 square, 9. Okay, without actual multiplication, I have solved this x plus 1, x plus 3 and x plus 1. That is the part 1. Now, part 2. Part 2 is easy. Now, I am solving here part 3. Part 3, that is 2y plus 5, 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7. Both the numbers are same. Which step? Okay, this step on you will report it. Okay, 2a same terms, so you can write it 2a minus 7 whole square. 2a minus 7 whole square, it means 2a whole square, a square, that part is a and that part is b. First a square. In case of a minus b square, I have told you that is a square minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, this part is completed. Now, minus 2ab, 2 into 2a into 7 and b square. This part now complete. B square means 7. So, 7 whole square. So, 2a whole square, that is 4a square, 28a plus 49. 4a square minus 28a plus 49. This is the answer. Which step, Monnoy? Quickly, beta. Oh, this one. You can omit, but as you are doing using identities the first time, that's why I think later sums, if it is given, find the product, that time you can use. If you want to use that formula in another purpose, that time you cannot, you can omit that step. Directly you can write it. Okay. 2a minus a, 2a minus a. Both the terms are same. That's why 2a minus 7 whole square. 2a minus 7 whole square, that is 2a whole square minus 2 into 2a into 7 plus 7 whole square. Okay, got it? Now 2a whole square is 4a square, 2 into 2a into 7, that is 28a plus 7 square, that is 49. Next, question number 4. Question number 4, that is 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. Okay, solve it quickly, same sum. Solve it quickly, same sum. Both the terms are minus, so you can write 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, then 3a whole square, that is a square, minus 2 into 3a into b plus 1 by 2 whole square. So that can be written as 3a whole square means 9a square, to remove minus 3a plus 1 by 4. Got it? 9a square minus 3a plus 1 by 4. Quickly, before you I am solving it. Now, next. Question number 6. Question number 6. That is a square plus b square and minus a square plus b square. Okay, one thing students. So students, for yes, minus a to the power 4 plus a to the power. Now you can write it like, first tell me what is the difference between 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2? Is there any difference? 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2? No. So you can change a square plus b square, that is b square plus a square and b square minus a square. Okay? Now it is okay. Now just one formula I have discussed, that a square minus b square, a plus b, just take a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. So b square whole square minus a square whole square. So b square whole square, that is b to the power 4 minus a to the power 4. Got it, everyone? Commutatively, yes. Because addition, avoid the commutative property. 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2, these two are same. That is the commutative property of addition of integers, you can say. Okay? The board is heavy or hazy? Orangshu? Board is heavy. Okay. Next, solve. So question number 3, question number 6 I have solved. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Minus a plus c minus a plus c. It's very good sum. A plus c and a plus c. Okay. Minus a plus c and minus a plus c. Okay, or no, very good. Again, I will for making it easy, minus a and c minus a, same term. Both the terms are, both the brackets are, factors are same. So you can write it c minus a whole square. So now apply it the a minus b whole square formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square, that is c square minus 2ac plus b square. Got it? C square minus 2ac plus a square. Okay? Got it, students? I hope it is clear. Next. Very good. Farhana, Priyoshi, Sir, I cannot see anything from the because other students can watch, can able to see better. I think your network problem. Cut the call and rejoin it. Cut the call and rejoin it. Other students have no problem. Okay. Next. Question number 9. Question number 9. 2x plus 3 by 4y 1 by 2x plus 3 by 4y. It's a very easy sums. Quickly solve it. Quickly solve it before. Oh my god. Or no? Wrong. Wrong. Or no? Wrong answer or no? First of all, terms are same. 1 by 2x and 1 by 2x, 3 by 4y, 3 by 4y. So you can write is 1 by 2x plus 3 by 4y whole square. So 1 by 2x whole square my plus 2 into 1 by 2x into 3 by 4y. Yeah. X by 2. X by 2 or 1 by 2x. What is given there? X by 2 or 1 by 2x, students, tell me quickly. X by 2 or 1 by 2x. Just anyone take the photo your book of that sums and send it the chat box quickly. Send it the chat box. I want to confirm because the book is not available. Okay, yes, Orangsu. Within few minutes it will be uploaded. Quickly, take anyone photo of that book, that page, and post in the chat box. Just I want to confirm it is x by 2 or 1 by 2, 1 by 2x. Quickly, photo of the page. If anyone can able to. Or no, if it is x by 2, then you are also wrong that time, because you have written x by 4. That is not. If it is x by 2, it will be x square by 4, not x by 2, x by 4. Oh my god, no one can. Okay, Onangsu, very good. Thank you, Onangsu. Which sums? That is question number 9. Question number, that is x by 2, not 1 by 2x. Not 1 by 2x, x by 2. Okay, thank you, Anangsu. And, or no, that will be in your question, that only x square by 4. X square by 4, okay? X by 2 and x by 2. Same thing, so x by 2 whole square. So x by 2 whole square plus 2 into x by 2 into 3 by 4y, and it is also 1 minute. Oh, 3y by 4. Actually, total sum is wrong. X by 2 and 3y by 4. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 and x by 2 3y by 4. X by 2 plus 3y by 4. Okay, that will be x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square. So now it is x by 2 whole square plus 2 into x by 2 into 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 whole square. So x by 2 means x square by 4 plus 2 to remove 3xy by 4 plus 9y square by 16. It is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Okay, x square by 4, x6xy, 6xy by 8, okay, and 9y square by 16. Okay, or not? Just typing mistake, no need to worry. Okay, so I have solved question number 9. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is very easy. You will solve. Question number 10 is very easy. That is 7a minus 9b and 7a minus 9b. 7a minus 9b whole square. It will be 49a square minus 126ab plus 81b square. Okay. Now moving on question number 2. Moving on question number 2. Yes. Very good. Using identities. Using identities x plus a into x plus b. Actually, in the previous sums, all these two terms are same, but here x is same, but that constant term a and b, they are not different. That time, product is like x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay. Using that identities, we will solve the product. So first sums. That is question number 2, 1. Question number 2, 1. X plus 3, x plus 7, x plus 3 into x plus 7. So it is x square plus 3 plus 7 x plus 3 into 7. So x square plus 21x plus 21. Sorry, that is 10. 10x plus 21. Got it, everyone? Question number 2. Question number 2 is also same. Now moving on to question number 3. That is in minus. Question number 3, that is in minus. Okay. Question number 3, that is 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. Okay. If, listen it. Hello? Now it is okay? Now it is okay? Now it is okay?